Enhancing websites presents a promising business opportunity given the growing recognition among companies of the critical role a robust online presence plays. As digital platforms become increasingly central to business success, the demand for expert website improvements continues to rise. By offering specialized services in design, functionality, and performance optimization, you can capitalize on this trend and provide substantial value to businesses striving to excel in the online marketplace. For an exceptional user experience, it's crucial to streamline the website's navigation, making it easy for users to find what they need with clear menus, intuitive breadcrumbs, and a logical page hierarchy. The layout should be visually engaging, directing users' attention to key elements while using white space effectively to avoid clutter and enhance readability. A responsive design is essential for providing a consistent user experience across various devices, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. By adopting a mobile-first approach, you cater to the significant portion of web traffic that accesses sites via mobile devices. Effective SEO begins with comprehensive keyword research to pinpoint the terms your target audience is searching for. These keywords should be strategically integrated into your content. On-page SEO involves optimizing individual pages with appropriate meta tags, headers, and internal links while ensuring the content remains relevant and valuable. Technical SEO is equally important, focusing on improving site speed, mobile friendliness, and secure connections, or HTTPS, to enhance overall performance and search engine rankings. To engage and inform your audience, focus on creating high-quality blog posts that address their pain points and interests, and update them regularly to keep the content fresh and relevant. Incorporating videos can further enhance engagement by visually explaining your products, services, or concepts and increasing the time users spend on your site. Optimize your website's performance by compressing and resizing images to reduce load times while maintaining quality, and consider using modern formats like WebP for better efficiency. Minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML files to decrease their size and enhance load times. Ensure robust security by using SSL certificates to encrypt data and protect user information through HTTPS. Set up web application firewalls to block malicious traffic and prevent potential attacks. Select an e-commerce platform that aligns with your business needs and budget, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Simplify the checkout process to minimize cart abandonment, offering multiple secure payment options. Enhance product pages with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and customer reviews to boost conversion rates. Integrate customer relationship management or CRM systems to streamline customer interactions and data management. Connect email marketing platforms to automate campaigns and track their effectiveness. Ensure seamless social media integration to facilitate content sharing and increase engagement. Keep your website content current and engaging by regularly updating blog posts, product information, and news. Conduct routine technical maintenance, including software updates, fixing broken links, and ensuring data backups are in place. Stay informed about the latest web design and development trends to maintain a modern and competitive website. Focusing on these areas will significantly enhance the performance, usability, and success of your website. Join our vibrant community and be in the know by subscribing to our channel for the latest news and captivating content. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay tuned to all the excitement unfolding. Don't miss out on becoming a part of our ever-growing family of informed and engaged.